Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing of the UE Boom 3. This one is the All Blacks edition. Here's the side of the box, and on the back of the box there's some information. And here's the other side. Here's the speaker itself. As you can see, that is the phone of the All Blacks. This is the All Blacks edition. Here's the top of it, and here's the bottom of it. And the other things in the box are the cable. And a manual. Yeah, it shows you how to charge and stuff. And there's the phone numbers for the Logitech, like for the support and stuff. And on the side of the box is like some more information on like what the buttons do and like how to charge it and stuff. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the UE Boom 3, the All Blacks edition.